Hi! NFT Spot extends a warm welcome. This channel will keep you up to date on the newest developments in the NFT and metaverse worlds. NFTs is back for the first time in a long time. Usually, Bitcoin and Ethereum are down at the same time. When one thinks about it, there's an inverse link. One descends, the other ascends, but right. Why is it that this isn't the case now? And the reason for this is because there is a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. No one in the world knows how far the situation in Russia and Ukraine will deteriorate. Everyone who tells you that should be escalated. They know everything will be fine. What will happen to the markets, or what will happen to the markets? They've hit rock bottom and are now lying on the ground. At the time, no one knows what will happen. And what's happening now is, it is terribly unfortunate that people are dying. While people are dying, and the cost of a cartoon or a digital asset. During these moments, the monkey isn't as vital. Things are vital in situations like this that sustain life, such as food, drink, and weaponry. We are witnessing a rise in the price of gold. Up as well as gold has done in the past. During times of war, it works exceptionally effectively. So, how about Bitcoin? What will Bitcoin's behavior be in this circumstance? And the answer is that I'm not sure if that's a component of what's going on. Will Bitcoin act as an inflation hedge? Will Bitcoin be used as a speculative asset or as a medium of exchange? In the digital world, gold, this is something we are investigating. We'll have to wait and see, but how will it turn out? If we actually get into a full-fledged war, how much would Bitcoin cost? The problem is, we have a full-fledged war on our hands. There is nothing historical to compare it to. However, we may examine how the stock market works. What has been the stock market's performance in the past? Battles, and the stock market was a major player in World War I. During this time, the market was closed for 6 months. Liquidity dried up during World War I, and in 1914, the stock market fell by 30%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, on the other hand, was up 88 points the following year. He was 43 years old when the conflict began at a yearly rate of 8.7, and from the outbreak of World War II to the end of World War II. It began in 1939 and finished in late 1945. The Dow gained a total of 50 points. Higher than 7% per year, as a result. Two of the worst wars in modern history. The stock market in the United States has always been on the rise. 115 in total. As a result, when we examine the stock market, you see that it was up overall. Two of the worst wars in modern history. As a result, when we consider Bitcoin, the only thing we have to compare it to is outbreak, as well as during the start of the pandemic. It was a massive crash for Bitcoin. Fell as low as 3,500 and then came back up. Following the apprehension, we realized what we were dealing with after he was gone. Bitcoin has climbed to a high of $69,000. This is typical of what we observe with major events, such as war in this scenario. There is a lot of ambiguity in the beginning. Nobody knows what will happen next. We've seen markets crash, and then recover. Things normally become better when we get more responses. Pick up where you left off, but this time at a faster pace. We don't know what's going to happen right now. Accidents happen out of nowhere. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.